Well, my start as a professional artist was actually really sort of a set of unforeseen but fortunate events.
Was actually really sort of a set of unforeseen but fortunate events.
Roughly 20 years ago, Thai country music or Luk Thung had a big resurgence in popularity.
Thai country music or luktung had a big resurgence in popularity. Our troupe was invited.
Our troupe was invited to perform at a community or civic event.
Perform at a community or civic event.
And it was basically to say farewell to a sitting governor of Bangkok.
It was basically to say farewell to a sitting governor of Bangkok. It's a duet song.
To duet song, so the people tasked with learning it and performing was me and Christy.
So the people tasked with learning it and performing was me and Christy. A lot of
we got a lot of people just like super excited about these two white people singing a Luktung song.
People just like super excited about this two white people singing a Luktung song.
Particularly, there was one event where there was a very, very popular TV host.
One event where there was a very, very popular TV host saw me perform it and said, "Hey."
Saw me perform it and said, "Hey, do you want to come on my show?"
You want to come on my show? I was able to go on a
I was able to go on a show, sing a couple of Luktung songs, and after the program was aired.
Sing a couple of Luktung songs, and after the program was aired, the next day, suddenly everyone recognized me out of nowhere. I'm like, whoa, this is huge. One recognized me out of nowhere. And I'm like, whoa, this is huge.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, Mr. Jonas. Bye.